Do you worry about your bad breath? Do you know that bad breath indicates underlying health problems in your stomach, spleen, and digestive system? Chewing gums might help temporarily, but if you do that all the time, it can further harm your digestive system. Besides the oral hygiene routines, you can do this custom Qigong routine to kill bad breath from the root cause. Side bending 5 times, forward bending 2 times, clicking teeth 100 times, rotating tongue 3 times. What are the benefits of this custom routine? It can strengthen your teeth and gums, cure oral disease to kill bad breath, fortify your stomach and spleen and digestive system to cure bad breath, and it can exercise your brain to sharpen your memory and prevent dementia. To access this Qigong routine, use the code on the screen and paste it into Onenergy Qigong app. By practicing this routine twice daily, you will notice a significant improvement in your breath and overall health.